Using straps to place Curapod. Insert the Curapod device into the casing by ensuring that the LED side of the device is placed downwards. Now, choose the appropriate strap from the ones provided in the kit, based on the pain area. Note that, you'll be provided with 4 straps for different body parts in the Curapod kit. Insert the selected strap into the casing by passing it through the loops on either side of the casing. Once the strap is inserted, position the Curapod device and secure the strap comfortably onto the desired pain site. You can always use a single strap with 2 casings, or 2 straps with 1 casing each, to place the device, depending on the location of your pain.